That's better. California water blade. Alright guys, super quick video. I just want to talk about this cool product I got from the last coat. I'll put the link in the description so you guys know where to get it. But as you know, here I did a full-on detail paint correction on the Project Honda 99 Civic Si EM1. But I got my mom's car right here. This guy's leased the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Hope I'm sounding it right. But anyways, I just washed it nice and clean now, but I want to put a coat on it. This last coat is pretty cool. It's a ceramic type of coating, but you don't have to do as much work as I had to do the other one. This is a newer car, so it doesn't need much paint correction, if at all. So I decided just to go into it after washing it. I'll demonstrate real quick how to use it. Super good so far. I did a couple parts, and you can see how it made a difference as far as smoothness and squeakiness, or losing the squeakiness, I should say. And it's hydrophobic as well. It says it lasts 4 to 6 months. So let's go to it. I'll show you how it's squeaky and not so squeaky. Guys, I usually like to wash my cars in the shade or when it's cooler. And actually I picked the worst time to wash a car because today is actually pretty hot, like a heat wave. It's going to be in the 80s over here. I'm in Orange County, but I'm in the cooler part of Orange County, so like Disneyland stuff would be scorching right now. So I'm actually more comfortable, but I'm still hot. It's 11:20 right now, so it's not even started as far as getting hot. Anyways, the last coat does recommend doing it in the shade, like anything, but I don't have time to do it. They say that you can do this in the sun, so that's what we're gonna do. So real quick, let's see if I can make it squeaky. My hands all. I can't make a squeaky sound. What's going on? I can't squeaky. Well, you're gonna have to trust me in the smoothness. But anyways, hoping I could get squeaky. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna apply it super easy, super quick. No waiting and everything. Fire truck. So instead of spraying directly on here, you want to spray on a microfiber cloth, couple puffs. I'm just going to wipe it down here. We're going to take a smaller section because it is hot and it's going to actually dry up pretty quick. So we're just going to get the emblem too, might as well. Then you get a towel. You should get the tail lights. Actually, you should get the tail lights since I'm already here. You can do this on plastic, rubber, metal, of course, paint. So you can do it on all surfaces, which is pretty cool. So I just flipped it. Now I'm just going to wipe it with a nice towel. You want to get everything. You can kind of do a cross hatch, it suggests, so you can do that. That way you get full coverage. And that's it. That's how fast you apply it. It's hard to see the shine difference, but let's see if I can do the squeaky test. So it's a lot smoother. I know you can't feel it. It's a lot smoother here, so let's see if I can get this. There you go. Hear that? Squeaky. Not squeaky. Well, it did put a coating on it, so definitely there is a difference on that. So I'll be doing the whole car. I actually did the front already, and I'll show you how it looks afterwards. I'll be right back. All right, using this last coat ceramic, basically it's pretty easy. Spray it on the towel, wipe it a couple times, and get a dry towel, and look at it slide. It's going down. Check it out. I think it looks pretty shiny. Look at that shine right there. Just one application, quick wipe, and it's a new car, so it's just gonna keep that shine, but I think it looks great. Wow, yeah, look at that reflection. Yeah, so if you're interested in getting the last coat, I'll put the link in the description where you can get it. Awesome stuff, guys. And don't forget to like, share, and post any comments below. Hit the bell icon for new videos. Again, thanks for coming. Peace out.